Okay, good morning mga kadabs. So today we are going to repair this Everest AC of our client because last time we cleaned it and it so happened the customer said that it's still not producing adequate cooling. So we have already opened the AC unit and then we set the display on 17. We already set the cooling setting to 17. Now we're going to try to measure the air that it produces from the AC unit because our client said that it's not producing adequate cooling or it's not enough. No, the setting is 17, but I think it's look, the air that it produces is only 26 degrees Celsius. See that? So there are certain indications that the AC system might be lacking refrigerant. So one indication is the reading. We set it to 17, but it only produced 26 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now apparently, last time it also produces ice build-up over here. So now the ice build-up already appeared. No? Look at this. I'll show you the ice build-up that is being built up on the evaporator, indicating that it's not producing enough cooling. Look, this one has ice build-up over here. So we have already discussed two indicators. One is incorrect temperature reading, and the other one is ice build-up on evaporator. Now we're going to see at the outdoor unit, see if the ampere also not producing correct current and also the pressure. So we're going to measure again the air that the condenser produces. So usually it must produce hot air if we measure the reading on the condenser side. So look, it only produces 29 degrees Celsius. Usually it ranges up to 40 degrees Celsius if the AC system is working properly, or if the system has adequate refrigerant. But as you can see, it only produces 29 degrees Celsius on the condenser side. So I'm going to set up the parameter or the paraphernalias so that we could measure the pressure and the current on the outside unit. So stand by. Okay, now that we have set up our camera, we're gonna put it right over here safe so that it won't fall to the ground, and later I will show you the reading of the current and the pressure of the unit. So stand by. Okay, so to make it clear, make no mistake about it, if you see ice build up on the evaporator, it does not mean that the AC unit refrigerant is enough. On the other hand, it indicates that the AC unit is lacking refrigerant. So I will show you now the outcome if the AC unit locks with refrigerant. Okay, look at it. See that ice build up over here? That's the indicator. Okay, now it's clear to you. We go ahead now to the outdoor unit to put on the pressure and the clamp meter. Stand by. Okay, now I have opened the cover on the charging port. I will show you a clear indications that the system locks with refrigerant. See the ice build up. Okay, you see? That's a clear indications that the system is locking with refrigerant. Okay, now that I have put the manifold gauge and the tank, we'll try to recharge this now. But before that, I'll show you the reading on the pressure. As you can see, the reading is too low. It only reads 35, so it's way too low. Then we're gonna also read the current. Okay, look at the current reading. It only reads 3 ampere. I gotta have to be careful because it's very dangerous up here. See, it only reads 3 ampere, so you have to recharge this unit. Okay, stand by. I will return to you once the process is done so that I could compress the video. Okay, stand by. Okay, we're done recharging the AC unit now. I've only set it up to 105 because I want to observe first. I don't want to fully charge it. Anyway, it's already producing good cooling. And the current reading has already rise up to 4.29 something, and the pressure is already 105. So that's it. That's enough for the meantime. Okay, because I don't want to abrupt fully charge it. Maybe later. Anyway, it's already producing good cooling, so I think that's enough already. And besides, I ran out of refrigerant. Okay, now let's try to measure the cooling inside. Here goes. First, I'm going to set it up to 17. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to measure the cooling. I think this is good enough because it's already reading 19 degrees Celsius with a discrepancy of 2 degrees, and now it's reading 18 degrees Celsius. I think it's fair enough. Okay, have to remove the gauge manifold now and the clamp meter. So that's for today, guys. By the way, the unit is Everest. I don't know whether it is 1.5 or 2 horsepower. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. God bless and bye bye.